Welcome to the journey of carrot chips, starting from the freshest fields.
Healthy carrots grow in carefully nurtured rows, ready for harvest.
Our team ensures optimal soil conditions for a perfect crop.
Harvesting begins with skilled hands, ensuring minimal damage.
Initial cleaning in the field maintains product quality early on.
Carrots are transported efficiently to collection points for onward transfer.
Accurate weighing ensures consistent batch sizes for transport. Tractors are prepped for a smooth ride to the processing facility.
Harvested carrots begin their journey from field to factory.
Field supervisors ensure every load is secure and ready for transit.
Aerial view captures the scale of careful harvesting operations.
Convoys maintain a steady pace, protecting product integrity during transport.
Carrots begin their journey along carefully monitored transport routes.
Carrots travel carefully, preserving freshness for processing. Traffic coordination ensures efficient and safe movement of produce.
Precise alignment ensures safe and efficient unloading.
Carrots are ready to be transferred carefully onto processing conveyors.
Mechanical assistance accelerates the transition from transport to processing lines.
Conveyors efficiently move carrots toward cleaning and sorting areas. With transport complete, carrots are now inside the facility, ready for processing.
The facility stands ready to receive freshly harvested carrots for processing. Clear signage guides workers and delivery vehicles efficiently into the facility. Mechanical sorting prepares carrots for the cleaning and processing stages. With entry complete, carrots are now ready for the first stage of cleaning and sorting. Carrots begin a thorough wash to remove surface soil and debris.
Powerful jets ensure every carrot is cleaned efficiently. Mechanical brushes remove stubborn soil while protecting carrot integrity. A final rinse ensures carrots are clean and ready for sorting.
Grading prepares carrots for uniform processing by size and quality.
Size sorting ensures consistent slices in later processing stages.
Manual checks complement machinery to maintain high-quality standards.
Color sensors ensure only the freshest carrots continue in the process. Operators ensure precise flow and orientation for consistent slicing.
With initial cleaning and sorting complete, carrots are ready for the core processing stage.
Next, carrots enter the core processing stage, where they will be transformed into chips.
Carrots enter the slicing machines, precision cut into uniform chip shapes.
High-speed blades ensure each slice is consistent and ready for frying. Sliced chips move smoothly to initial quality checks before cooking.
Manual inspection removes any slices that do not meet standards.
Safety checks detect any foreign metal contaminants in the product.
Vibrating conveyors orient chips evenly for consistent cooking. Chips are cooked in precisely controlled oil to achieve perfect crispness. High-temperature frying transforms slices into golden, crispy chips. Excess oil drains off, preparing chips for the next stage of processing. Pre-cooling stabilizes chips before any flavoring or further processing. Samples are checked for color, texture, and quality at regular intervals. Conveyors guide chips efficiently toward the main transformation stage. After slicing and frying, chips are ready for the main transformation stage.
Next, chips undergo flavoring, coating, and precision processing for final product quality.
Chips enter the seasoning hopper, where flavors are blended precisely. High-speed mixing ensures each chip is coated uniformly with flavor.
Automated sprinklers apply precise amounts of seasoning for consistent taste.
Shakers remove excess powder, leaving perfectly seasoned chips.
Cooling stabilizes chips, preventing clumping and ensuring crispness.
Samples are checked to confirm proper seasoning and texture. Sensors automatically reject any chips that fall outside quality standards. Processed chips are transported seamlessly to the coating stage for additional enhancement.
The coating drum ensures each chip receives a precise finishing touch.
Coated chips are continuously monitored for consistent quality and appearance.
Operators maintain steady flow to prevent damage and maintain processing efficiency.
With main transformation complete, chips are ready for automation and precision finishing. Automated counting prepares consistent batch sizes for packaging. Conveyor systems guide chips efficiently toward final finishing stages. Robotic palletizing ensures organized and safe stacking for storage and shipment. Automated label verification guarantees accurate tracking and traceability.
Precise weighing ensures consistent packaging across all batches.
Robotics maintain perfect alignment for smooth packaging transitions. Inspection cameras detect any anomalies before final storage or dispatch.
High-tech automation guarantees precision, consistency, and efficiency for the final product. Next, chips move to precision and finishing lines for quality refinement.
Chips enter the finishing hall for final adjustments and quality enhancements. A finishing drum ensures every chip has an even, final layer of flavor. Cooling stabilizes texture and prevents condensation before packaging. Optical sensors verify every chip meets visual and quality standards.
Vibratory alignment ensures even distribution for efficient packaging.
Automated filling guarantees accurate bag weights and reduces handling errors. Sealing machines secure chips in airtight bags for freshness.
Labels are applied precisely to each bag for traceability and branding.
Weight checks ensure consistent packaging across every batch.
Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee perfect product presentation.
Batches are organized efficiently for storage or shipment preparation. Precision and finishing are complete, preparing chips for rigorous quality control checks. Chips enter the quality control lab for rigorous testing before shipment. Visual inspections confirm chips meet appearance and consistency standards.
Moisture levels are checked to guarantee crispness and shelf stability.
Oil content is monitored to ensure safety and taste consistency.
Flavor is verified to match the exact seasoning profile required for the brand.
Multiple testing stations operate simultaneously to maintain fast, thorough quality checks.
Microbial tests ensure the product is safe and free from contamination.
Metal detection provides a final safeguard against contaminants.
Accurate weight verification ensures consistency across all batches.
Labels and barcodes are verified to guarantee proper tracking and compliance. Random sampling complements automated checks for ultimate quality assurance. Approved products are organized efficiently for storage and shipment. Supervisors ensure every quality control step is documented and verified. With all quality control complete, chips are ready for final packaging, storage, and dispatch. Approved chips are transported to the warehouse for organized storage and dispatch. Automation ensures perfectly stacked pallets ready for storage or shipment.
Labels and barcodes are verified for traceability before storage. Pallets are stored efficiently to maximize warehouse space and accessibility.
Pallets are seamlessly transported to loading docks for shipment.
Trucks arrive on schedule to collect pallets for distribution.
Forklifts handle pallets safely and efficiently for transport preparation. All shipments are secured to ensure safe delivery to distributors and retailers.
And this is how modern factories produce carrot chips from start to finish.
Finished products are now on their journey to stores and consumers.
The facility operates seamlessly, from harvest to dispatch, maintaining quality at every step.
A modern factory integrates technology, safety, and efficiency in every stage of production.